Imagine finally answering phone calls without that gut-wrenching feeling of debt collectors on the other end, knowing you're just months away from financial freedom. Which strategy will get you there faster? Debt Snowball or Debt Avalanche? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know which method fits you best. Hi everyone, welcome back to Budget and Beyond, where we make money simple and success achievable. If you're stressed about debt, feeling overwhelmed by all those bills, and you're desperate for a way out, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into two of the most effective strategies for paying off debt fast: the Debt Snowball and the Debt Avalanche. Let's rewind a few years. Picture Sarah, juggling 5 different debts: 2 credit cards, a car loan, and some leftover student loans. She felt trapped and watched her balances barely budge, no matter how much she paid each month. One day, Sarah decided to take control, researching debt payoff methods and making one simple change in her approach. What happened next? Within 2 years, she was debt-free, and now she helps others do the same. Her secret? Choosing the right strategy for her personality and situation. So what are these strategies and how do they work? Debt Snowball. List out all debts from smallest balance to largest. Make minimum payments on everything, but pay extra towards your smallest debt first. When that's gone, roll its payment into the next smallest. Like a snowball rolling downhill, it grows larger and picks up speed. Pros: you get quick wins early, which is incredibly motivating, especially if you're struggling with sticking to a plan. Debt Avalanche. List debts by highest interest rate first, regardless of the balance. Make minimum payments on everything, but pay extra towards the debt with the highest interest. When that's gone, move to the next highest interest rate. This saves you the most money in the long run and can get you out of debt just as fast or faster, depending on your situation. Pros: you pay less interest overall, which means more of your money actually goes toward crushing your debt, not the bank's pockets. Which is better? Debt Snowball is perfect if you need momentum and motivation. Debt Avalanche is perfect if you're determined and eager to save the most money possible. Studies and thousands of success stories show both strategies work. The trick is picking the one that keeps you on track. Pro tip: you can always start with one, and if you feel stuck, try switching. The key is consistent progress. But what about those unexpected curveballs, emergencies, job loss, surprise expenses that threaten to derail your progress? In just a minute, I'll share exactly how to bulletproof your debt plan from disaster. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and share this video with someone drowning in bills. Drop a comment with your debt payoff goal for the year. Let's hold each other accountable. And if you're ready for the next step, check out my free Debt Freedom Blueprint linked in the description. Completely free, no strings attached. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical money strategies that actually work. Remember, debt doesn't define you. With the right strategy and consistent action, you can break free.